Well, believe it or not, it is April already, meaning you only have 2 weeks left to get those taxes filed. I know I'm full of some great news here for you, but here to tell us more is Jennifer Jenkins. She's with the IRS, and she's here, though, with some things you definitely want to pay attention to, and some of this is some pretty positive news here, some tax credits you don't want to overlook, because some of them we're talking about some big chunks of change here, right?
That's right. There are several credits that are really big ticket items for taxpayers who are qualified to claim them. First and foremost, I'd point out is the earned income tax credit for lower to moderate income taxpayers up to about $48,000 and change. They may stand to claim about $5,600 plus in that credit, and there are several other ones out there as well.
A lot of people always forget about the education too, whether it's preschool or in other cases a lot of different education deductions that they can take advantage of.
That's correct. There's the American Opportunity Tax Credit, which is for higher education, up to $2,500 per student. Also lifelong learning, that's another $2,000 per return. I think you're talking about the Child Independent Care Credit. That's up to $3,000 for one child, up to $6,000 for 2 or more children. You know, on a bit of a lighter note, we always hear this time of year some crazy deductions. Anything off the top of your head? Do you hear people trying to take a deduction on that they can't? Well, you know, for commuting to and from work, that's a normal, course of your day. That's something that normally would not be deductible. Or having lunch with your fellow employees, for example, that normally would not be something you could expense out.
Real quick, you want to mention an event coming up tomorrow?
Yes, actually tomorrow, Financial Fitness Day at Xavier from 9 to, I believe, 3 o'clock. A bunch of organizations, IRS will be there, United Way and several other community organizations will be there and helping local Cincinnatians with getting financially fit.
The time is always here. It's unbelievable. It's always sneaks up on you. Almost time for Tech Start.
Yep.
Thanks, Jennifer.
You.
Great to have you here.
Thanks.
Well,